everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to Medicine Park, Oklahoma again, but this time we are going to go pick up some parts for the Honda S200. The owner of the Honda S200 called me the other day and told me that the parts that he ordered are in. So instead of waiting for him to bring them to me, I decided to get off work one morning. As you can see, anytime I'm wearing this yellow shirt, I just got off work. I always have to wear a yellow shirt. I don't know why. But we are headed out there to go ahead and pick up the parts, see what we got. Hopefully we can have some fun. Maybe he did a turbo kit. I don't know. So hopefully when we get there, we'll find out what he got. If we're just going to do a head gasket replacement on it, header, head studs, maybe have the heads poured and polished, get a little bit more flow out of them, gasket matched. So we'll see when we get there. Got the GoPro 7, finally silver, working. So I'm going to slap it on my head and start trying to use it and see how it works. Because right now I'm using a GoPro Hero Plus, which I like. Alright, well, just picked up the Honda S2000 parts. It is time to head to the shop. Well, no, not going to head to the shop. I'm going to go home, take a shower, take a nap. I've been up all night. It is 9:30 in the morning. I've been up all night. I am going to go home, take a shower, take a nap, and then we'll go to the shop later and we'll do some unboxing of what parts he got, and we can see what we're going to do. Doesn't look like a turbo kit, but we'll have some fun with it. So I'll catch you later. I'm going to go take a nap. So hopefully later today or this evening we'll be back and we'll do the unboxing of the parts. What up, everybody? Guess what? We are back at Medicine Park to pick up the last box for the Honda S2000, except for the exhaust that he just ordered. Let's go in and get the last box, and then we'll go to the shop, unload everything, and then start unboxing and see what we got. We're back at the shop. We got our parts here. Started working on the Honda S2000. Got it down to the valve cover right now. I am draining the radiator, because need to start pulling off some of the hoses. So we're gonna let that drain and I'm gonna do some unboxing, see what we got. All right, we got us a pod filter, nice blue. Oh, this must be for the cold air intake. Yeah, buddy. Oh, all the hoses and clamps. Let's just dump it all out. So, all the clamps and fittings and everything we need to install this thing. Okay, this one should be the head gasket set. Yep, made by Pro. Let's open the big box. We also have ARP head studs. He also wants me to try out this new 4K Sport Pro. So hopefully in the next video I'll have that charged up and ready to go. There we go. Look at that. After looking at it, I know it has a stock header, but there's nothing more beautiful than that. Look at that long tube header. Comes with the gaskets and new bolts. Look at that thing. It is pretty. So we got nice exhaust, cold air intake, head gaskets, ARP studs. Still need a few more things like plugs, oil, antifreeze. So that's it for the unboxing. But there's the complete exhaust system pulled out of the Honda S200. Alright, well, we got the exhaust system out like you've seen. It's on the ground. We're going to call it quits for today. Start back tomorrow. So, hopefully you keep watching. Comment, like, and subscribe for the upcoming videos. Keep tuned, and thanks for watching.